Hey guys, welcome to this video. I hope you are doing great. So this video again a new experience for me. As I said earlier कि कुछ upcoming interviews हैं जो I want to share my interview experience out here, and Infosys Edgeverve were one of them actually, offering a very good position. और इस जर्नी में मेरा क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा है इंटरव्यू में थ्रू आउट फ्रॉम इनिशियल स्टेज टू दी फाइनल स्टेज, तो इस वीडियो में मैं डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ. इवन देर आर मैनी कैंडिडेट्स जिन्होंने ये एग्ज़ाम क्लियर की है एंड स्टिल दे आर वेटिंग फॉर द इंटरव्यू कॉल. आई होप उनके लिए भी ये एक वीडियो हेल्पफुल होगा आगे प्रिपेयर करने के लिए. एंड फॉर दोज हु आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इंटरव्यूज़ और एग्ज़ाम्स, उनके लिए भी यही वीडियो बहुत हेल्पफुल होगा. So let's move on. So इस प्रोसेस में सबसे पहला स्टेज जो है, द वेरी फर्स्ट स्टेप इज़ यू हैव टू अप्लाई ऑन द वेबसाइट फॉर द रिक्वेजिशन दे आर हायरिंग फॉर. So I believe that was in March or April. I have applied for the position for product developer role actually, and later on they have their initial stage of shortlisting the resume. So guys, you have to really work hard on your resume to be shortlisted, because if your resume is not up to that mark, then you will not gonna have call, because many of the candidates, they haven't received any call regarding the exams or like that. So resume, working on resume is very important. So here I got call on like I have my exam on 4th and 5th June, so like uh, I have to choose one of the slot, either 4 or 5th of June. So here I would like to point out few things. Is the very first thing is now you have to really work hard on your resume to be shortlisted. Once your resume is shortlisted, then the second step is you are getting a link for online coding challenge. So there is no quantitative aptitude, there is no reasoning, there is nothing. There is only a coding challenge, and in that coding challenge you will gonna face 3 questions, and that were conducted by HackerRank. So the quality of the questions or the difficulty level of the questions was moderate to easy level. In upcoming slide we will gonna discuss that too, but this is the very first stage where you are gonna be shortlisted, and you will have a link of the test. As you can see here, I'm getting this link. So like at conclusion I can say a resume is very important to be shortlisted, because this is not any on-campus drive where you have to fill all the data and you will for sure gonna have assessment link. No, not at all, because I believe for this requisition more than 20 to 30,000 students, they have applied for this. So getting shortlisted is very important, and you have to work hard on your resume. So this was the very first step, getting a link for coding challenge. Now moving toward the next slide. You can see the stage 2 is the online coding challenge. As I said, it was done by HackerRank. So the question were easy to moderate level. I will say most probably moderate level. Now as you can see, there were 3 questions asked. The first is the relates with array and doing operations on the array. The second is somewhere related with the prefix, and third one is the very easy level question. I can say you have to find unique characters. So here languages allowed are Python, Java, C++, and a different language was also allowed here, but I preferred Python because I'm good in Python, so I preferred Python. And if you really want to shortlist it for this round also, like you have to opt for only one language. If you want, if you are going through Python, then please write code of all the 3 questions in Python only. So I also did the same. My logic and everything was good here. The question were moderate and easy level. There is no such anything I faced here, but you have to keep thing in mind, like you don't have to copy your coding solution from anywhere. Believe me guys, because many of the students, they have written the code for all those three questions, there all the test cases passed actually, but still they are not getting a call. And the reason is the same, that they have copied the code from anywhere and they have used the variable name or the entire logic as it is. So please make sure you are writing your solution based on your logic only. You're not copying it from anywhere. So you have to make sure all those key points. And the second thing is, please switch to only one language in which you are good. Okay, in this case I'm good in Python, so I opt for Python, and I develop my logic for all those three questions in Python only. So these things you have to be very much you have to take care of all those things. And after clearing, and please, if you are thinking like, yeah, I have solved, I will solve one question and two question, and for third question I will be not solving, then you will be not gonna shortlisted. You have to solve all those three questions and you have to pass all the test cases too. That is the mandatory part to be shortlisted for interview round. So the next round was the technical interview round. So like after lot of follow-up, because my exams were done in June, and the organization were planning to have onboard candidate on the end of June only, but I don't know for what reason they postponed it, because in the coding assessment they have shortlisted like for more than 5 to 6 thousand candidates actually. And I got to know when I called the HR, when HR called me actually, then she said me like it is very difficult for him to conduct the interview, because total 5,000 students, 5 to 6 thousand students they have shortlisted for interview. So that's a big number actually. And even I was also taking a rigorous follow-up of this from since June. And as you can see, last year in December, again I mailed the HR actually regarding the schedule of interview, and then she called me and she explained all those things. So before technical round, I can say there is a HR round. There is no direct technical round, instead there is HR telephonic round, I can say. So in HR telephonic round, she asked me few questions like why you want to join, you are right now working, and why you want to shift, and in which of your skills are very good in, and which programming language you know very well. Then even she asked few questions also, and she said okay, no issues, we'll take the technical interview and you will clear. Then at the end of December we'll release the offer. So that was the HR round prior to the technical call interview, and after 2 to 3 days they scheduled a technical round also. So my technical interview experience was very good actually, I can say. यहाँ पर भी आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा, because that was the complete live coding round, and there were three panelists present out there. So let's move to the stage 4, that is stage 3 technical round interview. So here after few discussion, like in any interview you have to face all those questions like introduce yourself, then explain about your role right now you're working in. Then I explained about myself, my projects and everything, the branch I belongs, that is mechanical. Then we started coding for live. We started going for live coding, and from initially I was facing some technical glitches. So it was a big issue for me at that time actually. So again, a kind request you to all you guys, like if you have any interview schedule, make sure your system is okay and your Wi-Fi connectivity is up to mark. So you will be not crashing, because once I entered into the coding challenge, into the coding that once I opened that link, my system crashed actually, and I have to start over again, rejoining the meeting and everything. So initially few of my time was gone out here, and I requested HR to to start it again, and they started it again. They were really polite and very good guys, and you can see here I got this question on HackerRank again. The live coding challenge was conducted by HackerRank only. So again, the moderate of the question was like easy to medium level, no hard level question. The question was very easy. Now you can see I have been given a string and I have to find palindrome, maximum number of palindrome string I can form without overlapping the strings. The question was very easy and I was very close, getting the answer. But again, as I said, I was really facing technical glitches. So the time was a big challenge for me out here. But I was very clear, very close. I have built my logic. I have even, I have even typed and even I have run the code also, and I'm getting output also. I believe that my few of the test cases were passed, but few not, because those are the edge cases, and I'm really working on the edge cases. But the time is no more longer actually, because of the technical glitches that I'm facing. So the level of the question is very easy, guys. As you can see, you can also solve these questions, whether it is palindrome, and you have to find maximum number of palindrome in the string without overlapping the string. So here, brute force approach I have taken here, and I have solved this question. And following to this question, I have been asked these questions also, like what is like how binary search algorithm works, uh, write a flowchart for that, or write algorithm for that binary search, and what are the different searching methods. So I said merging sort, and there are different sorting algorithms. Then they said explain merge sort algorithm. Then they come back to data structures and algorithm. uh, then they said what is the definition of data structures, what is the use of data structures, and what are the different types of data structures and their applications. So these all those things they asked me. Then they asked me about what is a linear data structure and non-linear data structures, and explain me with their examples. So I also explained those. Apart from the live coding challenge, they even asked few other code also. Like they asked verbally. Um they have given a dictionary. uh, in those Roman numbers were present, and if in a string if they present a Roman number, then we have to print the entire digit of that Roman number. So even they just ask for a logic, like how we can implement all those things. And last question was they said, like, do you have any question regarding this profile or this? So the interview was very cool, and not such anything that is out of the box. As I belongs to mechanical, I tried my best to answer all those questions. And uh, though I was not getting shortlisted, but the experience was very good out here. You have been preparing since long and you're waiting for interview call. Even still many candidates, they're still waiting for their technical interview call actually. Because many of the students, they haven't received technical interview call, even they have cleared all their assessments and everything. And um, uh, following to this technical round, definitely there is offer release. A few of the candidates, they have already got offered in back in June or July. Even they have joined actually. So, and few of the candidates, they are waiting right now for their technical interview round. So the experience was very great out there. If you are preparing for this particular organization, then definitely this video will gonna be very helpful for you. You have to keep a few things in mind. Is you have to work hard on your resume. Then if you're getting shortlisted, then coding challenges conducted by HackerRank. And HackerRank, right now they have very good questions, and their level varies from moderate to high. So you have to really work hard. And the third thing is, whenever you are giving any technical interview, make sure that your system is proper and your Wi-Fi connectivity or internet connectivity is up to mark. So you have to work on all those 3 points, uh, that will really gonna create some issues, getting the offer or any interview to be cleared. You have to work on all those things. I believe you like this video, and again thanks for watching this video and supporting this channel. And please, if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. I have more interviews upcoming, and I would like to share all those experiences with you guys. And if you have any question regarding the process of this interview or how all those things happens, you can comment me down. I will try my best to reply all the comments. I have provided my Telegram channel link also in below, so if you have any question you can ask me on Telegram also. So once again, thanks for watching this video, and please support this channel by hitting subscribe and like button. Bye.